connect, and reconnect. We're still holding, and we've decided that we're going to take a sell, right? That's the decision that we make. We're taking a sell on GBP/USD, and we only left with like 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Let me look at another pair. Maybe USD CAD. Let's look at USD CAD. Let's see, maybe we might have signals on both, because well, if GBP/USD is going down, this will mean that USD CAD has to go up. So I think we have to be buying USD CAD. Yeah, I think we have to be buying USD CAD and selling GBP/USD. So those are the two signals that I see from my setup. I don't know if you guys agree or you agree. You understand? But from what I'm seeing us selling GBP/USD, and I just took another order on GBP/USD. Can you see the face? What about US data time frame? I started looking at a 1 hour time frame. So all my analysis are based on 1 hour time frame. I can see my brother Maps is here also. Shout out to Maps. He's the future. Maps is the future. And as I've already said, guys, based on the analysis that I've done, is a buy on USD CAD, right? Buy on USD CAD and a sell on GBP/USD and a sell also on, we're only taking 2 trades, right? I'm gonna scratch out USD JPY because I don't really like USD JPY, right? Personally, I just love something like this, your GBP/USD, your GBP/USD. One of the reasons why I say GBP/USD, I could have chose to go with a different pair, but for those who know me, they thought that I've always loved GBP/USD. So like I said, a sell on GBP/USD, a buy on USD CAD. How many minutes left? We got 4 minutes left, or less than 4 minutes left, until we make this money. GBP/USD, better sells. GBP/USD has to go down, because tomorrow it's a Friday, and after a Friday it's a Saturday. We get drunk. You understand? I want to get into the weekend knowing that I'm happy. GBP/USD, you better do the right thing. You better sell, and USD CAD. USD CAD has to sell. That's to buy, rather. We're left with 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes until we have weather. NASDAQ. Hey, let me look at NASDAQ. Hey, today, some people are gonna cry. Some people are gonna be so happy. But like I said, we're only focusing on those 2 true signals. And you already know, guys, we're trading with the best broker in Africa at RCG Markets. If you didn't know, well, now you tell. The best broker in Africa at RCG Markets. And like I said, my RCG Market account is funded, ready to take them trades, ready to make money. We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left until we have what's happening. Hey, this thing better go down. This thing better go down. Because like I said, tomorrow it's a Friday. And after Friday, it's a Saturday. And Rona, we get drunk. You understand? We drink. I'll probably be in the club with Bandile. GBP USD, just go down. Go down, GBP USD. Go down. GBP USD, go. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Trading with the best broker in Africa. RCG Markets, let's get it, baby. GBP USD. GBP USD better go down. We set a sell on GBP USD. It's only a few seconds left. We set sell on GBP USD. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. Let me take another sell on GBP USD. Let me take another sell. Let me take another sell. I hope I hope it really goes down, because right now it's even saying, yeah, we killed GBP USD. We killed CPI by fair too. Everyone is in fucking profit, baby. Everyone is in flipping profit. We killed a buy on USD CAD, sell on GBP USD. Done. Done. Just like that. Just like that, my beautiful people. We killed CPI with the best broker in Africa, RCG Markets, baby. Oh, we're going into the weekend with money. Guys, I would say, look at that. Look at that. Look at that sell. Look at that sell. It's still going down, Papa. RCG Markets, look at that. Look at that. No manipulation. Look at that. Just beautifully. Ah, the codes are blue, baby. The codes are blue. So you understand? I hope you guys made money, because USD CAD. What USD CAD did is unfair, guys, but it's okay. Because if you miss USD CAD, you definitely made money on GBP USD. And I hope you guys closed. And I hope you guys made money, because I made money trading with the best broker in the world currently. RCG Markets, baby. Ah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Let me see. I don't know if you made money. Oh my God, we killed CPI. We killed it, baby. Woo! That's how you do it. That's how you do it. GBP USD is still going down, Papa. It's still going down, Papa. The codes are still blue, Papa. The codes are still blue, Papa. Come on. Mr. One only young Amo. Mr. Kill the market every day. You know, my brother leadership hit me up like, yo, bro, I think we should sell GBP USD. I was like, I agree. I was like, I agree. So we made money, guys. Oh my God, that thing is still gonna go down, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. If you're holding, it's okay. But if you close, you can still enter. That's one thing I can tell you. You can still enter, because yes, it's acting up for now, but the true direction is that it still has to go down, because it has been struggling to break this level. The market has been struggling to break this level here, where GBP USD came in and touched, you know, this level here. So the fact that it came in and broke that level, we're expecting this thing to still go down. Oh my God. I'm so flipping happy, guys. RCG Markets, the best broker in Africa. I can't say it enough. This is the one only young Amo, the Forex guru, Mr. Kill the market every day. If you didn't know, well,